Hello, welcome to the Moschino Room. The Moschino Room houses what's considered the largest collection of vintage Moschino in the United States for sale, rent, or exhibition. And I just happen to own all this madness. I'm going to give you a sneak peek because I am later going to do a very detailed video. Do you remember, if you're old enough, in the 80s when you had these water bottle holders? It was a whole thing. I mean, bottled water didn't used to be. It was a whole it was the whole thing. Anyway, it's a quick little tour. This is a newer acquisition. I've got to find the skirt. That's going to be fun. These are all the Nanny pieces that I have. You recognize that from the first episode. So I put them all on one rack for people who do the rental from where I rent my clothes at Clothes LA. We rent only to stylists, so they get this on their clients or in photo shoots, editorial shoots, music videos, interviewing with news outlet or a TV show or talk show. So you'll recognize. Well, here's the famous vest. And bustiers, vests for days. Got some of the Jeremy Scott burn dresses and the Jeremy Scott tuxedo, burn tuxedo, which is so amazing. Hats, scarves, bags, accessories, shoes from every decade. Jewelry, I have tons of things not out, but lots of men's ties, jewelry, belts. Umbrellas, I love those. These are the famous clock dresses. From the Alice in Wonderland collection, 1995. Halloween collection. And that's it. This came from Japan. Came all the way from Japan, this one. This is modern. These red shoes came from Japan. And of course the iconic bags, the heart bags, we have them in striped as well. So I'm going to start doing some stories from my showroom here, from the Moschino Room, and we will start educating all of y'all on Franco Moschino who want to learn about it. And so much fun in here. This bustier is separate from, they didn't come together, this amazing pink skirt and tulle. And that hat is new. It's not old. When I bought it, I thought, oh, is it one of those old ones? But it's not. It's the Moschino jeans line. I'm happy to have it in any case. The orange version of this skirt suit was in The Nanny. And then this hat, which I'm in love with, is Philip Tracy, and I added the feathers, and this was worn in one of the fashion shows with Naomi Campbell in it, that they told me. Of course, the original feathers that were in it, I didn't get. And that's it. Thank you for joining me. Bye.